Welcome to MyAbaton.com, where we are addressing our elbow PMS. And we are killing it here at the Edge Climbing Gym. And this is a typical place for pain to the elbow. And so we're going to show you how to develop some really good strength. Now the biceps and the forearm, they all kind of work together to support this. We're going to do a bicep curl and a tricep extension. So working the front of the arm and the back of the arm, along with some elbow motion for stability, not just strength. What we're going to start with is a bicep curl with a rotation. And a lot of people do this, and this is a great thing to do. So as you're going to start, and you're going to rotate your arm up into a bicep curl, and then as you go down, you'll rotate and really make this a big rotation movement. So you're going to really turn that forearm out and then really turn it back as you bring it back up. And then again, as you go down, really turn that hand out and really get some good motion through the elbow and making all the muscles that support the elbow with the rotation, as well as that big bicep muscle, giving it the support and the control it needs as you go through a more dynamic range of motion through that elbow joint. Okay, and this is a fantastic way to get some good strength through there, good stability. Now with the tricep, you can do this a couple ways. You're going to bring your arm up, and you can support this with your other hand, and it's the same thing. You're going to extend your elbow, just like so, but as you do so, really make some big rotation movements. So as you come back in, you're going to rotate, and then as you come out, you're going to extend and rotate. The idea is you're developing the tricep muscle, which helps support the elbow, but you're also developing stability control as you put that through rotational movements. It's a really nice way to get strength, support, and to get a lot of good stability, which you need for a healthy elbow as you develop strength. Another option is if you can't bring your shoulder up above your head, you can use a pull down or even a exercise band to do the same motion. And all you're doing is the same thing. You're keeping your elbow nice and close to you. You bring that down and extend the arm. And as you do that, make a big rotation, or as big as your elbow will allow. Remember, don't push through pain. Nice big rotation. Pulling down, rotate down and out, and then rotate up and in. Great way to get that nice extension, especially if you can't bring that shoulder up above your head.